The king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna, is one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring reptiles in the world. Known for its immense size, potent venom, and regal bearing, the king cobra commands respect both in the wild and in human culture. This guide delves into the biology, behavior, habitat, diet, and conservation of this remarkable species, offering an in-depth look into what makes the king cobra unique. Taxonomy and classification. The king cobra is not only the largest venomous snake, but also belongs to a unique genus. Scientific name: Ophiophagus hanna, family Elapidae, the family that includes other venomous snakes like cobras, mambas, and coral snakes. Genus: Ophiophagus, meaning snake-eater in Greek, highlighting its specialized diet. Interestingly, despite being called a cobra, it is not part of the same genus as true cobras, Naja. This distinction emphasizes its unique evolutionary path within the snake family. Physical characteristics. King cobras are renowned for their impressive size and distinct physical features. Length. The king cobra holds the title of the longest venomous snake in the world, capable of reaching lengths up to 18 feet, 0.4 meters. However, the average length is closer to 10 feet, 3 to 3.6 meters. Weight typically weighs between 15 to 20 pounds, though some individuals may weigh more. Coloration. Their coloration varies depending on the region, but generally includes shades of olive green, tan, or black with lighter crossbands. Juveniles often have more pronounced and brighter markings. Hood. When threatened, the king cobra spreads its hood, a distinctive feature that makes it appear larger and more intimidating. This display is enhanced by specialized ribs that flare outward. Eyes are equipped with round pupils. Their keen eyesight allows them to detect motion from nearly 5 to 10 feet, 1.5 to 3 tons meters away, making them one of the most visually adept snakes. The scales are smooth and glossy, which helps reduce friction as they move through dense vegetation or across the ground. Habitat and distribution. King cobras are native to South and Southeast Asia, thriving in a variety of habitats. Geographic range: found in India, southern China, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and other Southeast Asian nations. In some areas, they coexist with humans in agricultural settings. Preferred habitats. These snakes favor dense forests, mangroves, bamboo thickets, and areas near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They prefer humid environments but can also be found in drier regions. Elevational range. King cobras inhabit regions from sea level, showcasing their adaptability to varying climates. Human encroachment. Due to habitat destruction, they are increasingly found in urban and suburban areas, leading to more frequent interactions with humans. Diet and hunting behavior. King cobras are obligate carnivores with a diet primarily consisting of other snakes, making them unique among reptiles. Primary prey: non-venomous and venomous snakes, including rat snakes, pythons, and smaller cobras. They have been observed preying on kraits and vipers as well. Cannibalism. They are known to eat other king cobras, especially during times of scarcity. This behavior highlights their role as apex predators. Secondary prey. Occasionally, they may consume lizards, birds, and small mammals, particularly when snakes are scarce. Hunting strategy. King cobras rely on their excellent eyesight and acute sense of smell via their forked tongues and Jacobson's organ to locate prey. They are active hunters, pursuing prey rather than ambushing it. They subdue their prey with a precise bite, delivering venom that paralyzes and kills within minutes. Feeding frequency. Due to their efficient digestion and the high nutritional value of their prey, king cobras do not need to feed frequently. A single large meal can sustain them for weeks. Venom, the venom of a king cobra, is a powerful neurotoxin that serves multiple purposes. Composition contains proteins, enzymes, and neurotoxins that disrupt nerve signaling, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. Effects on prey: rapid paralysis and death, ensuring that the prey cannot escape or fight back. Venom yield: king cobras deliver a large quantity of venom per bite. Human implications: although king cobra bites are rare, they can be fatal if untreated. A single bite contains enough venom to kill an elephant or humans. Symptoms include dizziness, difficulty breathing, blurred vision, and cardiac arrest. Anti-venom: effective anti-venoms exist, but prompt medical treatment is critical. Supportive care, such as artificial respiration, is often required in severe cases. Behavior and social structure: king cobras are solitary creatures, interacting with others primarily during the breeding season. Territoriality: they are highly territorial and will defend their space aggressively. Males, in particular, are known to engage in combat to assert dominance. Threat display: when threatened, they raise up to 1/3 of their body off the ground, spread their hood, and emit a low, growl-like hiss. This intimidating display is often enough to deter predators and humans. Aggression: despite their fearsome display, king cobras are generally non-aggressive and prefer to avoid humans. They will retreat if given the opportunity. Nocturnal and diurnal activity: king cobras are primarily diurnal but can exhibit nocturnal behavior in certain conditions. Communication: aside from visual displays, king cobras can produce low-frequency growls by forcing air through their trachea. This is unique among snakes and adds another layer of intimidation. Reproduction and life cycle: king cobras exhibit unique reproductive behaviors, setting them apart from most other snake species. Breeding season typically occurs during the dry season, January to April, ensuring that hatchlings emerge during optimal conditions. Mating rituals: males engage in ritualistic combat to win the right to mate. These non-lethal fights involve wrestling and displays of strength rather than biting. Nest building: female king cobras are the only snakes known to construct nests. They gather leaves and vegetation to create a mound where they lay eggs. The nest helps regulate temperature and protect the eggs from predators. 4. Parental care: females guard the nest vigilantly until the eggs hatch, a rare behavior among reptiles. However, they leave shortly before the hatchlings emerge to avoid eating them. Hatchlings: newborns are around inches cm long and are fully venomous from birth. Despite their small size, they are capable hunters and can fend for themselves immediately. Growth: king cobras grow rapidly during their first few years, shedding their skin multiple times as they mature. 1. In the wild, the lifespan is typically around years, depending on environmental factors and predation risks. In captivity, can live slightly longer due to controlled conditions, consistent food supply, and the absence of predators. Cultural significance: the king cobra holds significant cultural and symbolic importance in many societies. Hinduism, often associated with deities like Lord Shiva and Vishnu, symbolizing power, protection, and fertility. It is commonly depicted in religious art and mythology. Folklore: revered and feared in local legends across its range, the king cobra is often portrayed as a guardian of treasures or sacred sites. Snake charmers: often featured in traditional snake charming practices, though this is declining due to animal rights concerns and legal restrictions. Symbolism: the king cobra is seen as a symbol of strength, dominance, and resilience in various cultures. Modern media, featured in documentaries, books, and films, the King Cobra continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Conservation status: the King Cobra is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Threats: habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization. Poaching for their skin, meat, and use in traditional medicine. Human-wildlife conflict, especially in agricultural areas where encounters are more frequent. Conservation efforts. Protected reserves and wildlife sanctuaries have been established in key habitats. Citizens' awareness programs to educate local communities about the ecological importance of king cobras. Research initiatives to study their behavior, population dynamics, and venom properties. Collaboration with local governments to enforce anti-poaching laws and mitigate human-snake conflicts. The king cobra's remarkable traits, ecological significance, and cultural symbolism make it a subject of fascination and a priority for conservation efforts. As apex predators, they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Protecting this majestic species requires concerted efforts from governments, conservationists, and local communities alike.